You ever wake up at 3:47 a.m. and feel that weight on your chest? Not tired, heavy. Like the whole world parked a truck on your dreams while you were sleeping. That's not weakness talking. That's your soul screaming, I'm still in here. Listen to me. You weren't born to pay bills and die. You weren't put on this earth to scroll through somebody else's highlight reel while your own life collects dust. You feel stuck? Good. That means you're still alive enough to hate it. I need you to remember one name tonight. Kobe Bean Bryant. 18 years old, straight out of high school, walked into the NBA like he owned the place. They laughed. They said he'd never start over veterans. They said he was too young, too skinny, too cocky. He heard every word. And then he went to work. 4 a.m. workouts while the city slept. While his teammates partied, he was in the dark, dripping sweat, whispering to himself, I will not be outworked. Period. You think greatness is talent? Nah, greatness is obsession in human form. He called it the Mamba Mentality. But let me break it down real simple for you. It's the decision that when everybody else taps out, you keep going. It's choosing the pain of discipline over the pain of regret. It's looking fair dead in the eyes and saying, you don't get to write my story. You think Kobe didn't have doubts? He missed more shots than he made. 4 air balls in the playoffs as a teenager, the whole arena booing. He could have folded. He could have pointed fingers. Instead, he went back to the gym and shot until the lights went out, until the janitor begged him to leave. That's not talent. That's a man who decided his dream was bigger than his feelings. And I'm telling you right now, your dream is still bigger than your feelings. I don't care how many times you failed. I don't care how many people walked away. I don't care if your bank account is laughing at you. I don't care if your family thinks you're crazy. You still got time. But time ain't free. Every second you spend doubting yourself is a second you're stealing from the version of you that's supposed to win. Kobe said, I don't want to be the next Michael Jordan. I only want to be Kobe Bryant. That's the energy. Stop trying to be the next anybody. The world don't need another copy. The world needs the original you, the one you buried under excuses and Netflix and I'll start Monday. You think Kobe became Kobe because he felt like it every day? Hell no. He showed up when his body screamed no, when his ankle was swollen, when the critics were loud, when his own teammates didn't believe. He showed up anyway, because winners don't wait for motivation, they create it. You waiting for the perfect moment? There is no perfect moment. There's only right now. Right now, while your heart is still beating. Right now, while that fire is still flickering. You think tomorrow gonna be easier. Tomorrow gonna bring new problems you ain't ready for. But if you start today, if you decide today, tomorrow will meet a different human being. A dangerous one. One who don't negotiate with weakness. Kobe used to say, job's not finished. Even after 81 points, even after 5 rings, even after the world bowed down, job's not finished. So what makes you think yours is? You think because you got a 9 to 5, the dream is dead? You think because you got kids, the vision got to shrink? You think because you're 30, 40, 50, whatever, that the clock ran out? Let me tell you something. Age is just a number people use to stay comfortable. Kobe tore his Achilles and walked off the court under his own power. Then went and shot his free throws. You think a torn Achilles cares about reputation? Pain don't care who you are, but winners don't quit when it hurts. They get quiet. They get focused. They get scary. That's the Mamba mentality. It's not loud. It's not flashy. It's surgical. It's showing up when nobody's watching and leaving no doubt when everybody is. You want to know the secret Kobe never told the cameras? He was afraid too. He just decided, fear don't get the last word. He said, if you're afraid to fail, then you're probably going to fail. Read that again in your spirit. If you're scared to look stupid, if you're scared to lose friends, if you're scared to be broke a little longer, then you already lost. Because the game ain't played out there. It's played right between your ears. Every morning you got two voices. One says, stay in bed, it's safe. The other says, get up, we got legends to become. Which one you gonna feed today? Kobe fed the second one until it grew teeth, until it became a monster, until the world had to call it Mamba. I'm not asking you to be Kobe. I'm asking you to be the version of you that refuses to die average. I want you to look in that mirror tonight and ask one question. If I keep living like this, where am I in 5 years? Don't lie to yourself. You already know the answer, and it scares the hell out of you. Good. Let it scare you into motion. Let it scare you into the gym. Let it scare you into the books. Let it scare you into the late nights and early mornings. Let it scare you into becoming undeniable. Because here's the truth. Nobody wants to say out loud, most people don't fail because they can't. They fail because they won't. They won't take the weight. They won't take the loneliness. They won't take the no's. But you different. I felt it the moment you clicked this video. You didn't come here by accident. Something in you is tired of pretending. Something in you is ready to snap. So snap. Break the chains you put on yourself. Stop waiting for permission. Stop waiting for applause. Greatness don't ask for an invitation. It kicks the damn door down. Kobe left this earth doing what he loved, pouring into his daughter, building the next generation. His last act was love. His last lesson was legacy. So when they ask you what you did with your time, when your kids look at your life, when you take that last breath, what you gonna say? I played it safe. I waited till I felt ready. Or you gonna say, I left it all on the floor every damn day. I want you to close your eyes right now. Picture that version of you 10 years from now. The one who didn't quit. The one who cried in the car but kept driving. The one who got knocked down 7 times and stood up 8. Look at that person. Look at their peace. Look at their power. Look at their freedom. Now open your eyes. That person ain't coming unless you go get him. So get up right now. Not when the video ends. Right now. Put the phone down. Lace them shoes. Open that laptop. Make that call. Send that message. Do the thing you've been avoiding. Because the Mamba mentality ain't about basketball. It's about refusing to leave this planet with your music still in you. Kobe's gone, but his spirit is standing right behind you, whispering, be legendary. So what you gonna do? You gonna keep scrolling, or you gonna start building? The choice is yours. But legends don't choose easy. They choose eternal. Now go. Go be the reason somebody believes again. Go be the nightmare to every excuse you ever made. Go be so great they can't ignore you. And when it gets hard, and it will, when you want to quit, and you will, remember this moment. Remember this feeling. Remember Kobe at 4 a.m. Remember the Mamba don't bend, the Mamba don't break, the Mamba attacks. So attack your day, attack your doubts, attack your future. And when they finally write your story, let him say one thing. That man That woman, they live the Mamba mentality. Job's not finished. Now go finish it. I'm proud of you already. But pride don't win championships. Work does. See you at the top because the bottom's too crowded. Mamba out.